Okay, yes, what will happen guys? Tell me, when I restart my Windows machine, what will happen? Your laptop is hanged guys, okay? It's not responding, so you will restart the laptop. Okay, once you restarted the laptop again, it will work fine. What will happen in the background? Can anyone tell me?
For that query will be stopped, sir, which
Forget
is
about all the
consuming the
queries and all. Forget about SQL Server first of all. Okay, so what
Sir,
will happen in the background?
background process immediately killed.
Correct. All the background processes, whatever process see here now, 99% is, and memory is 81%. Okay, so if you see here, now again it went down. Now again it is showing 6%. In this case, we don't need any action, guys. Simply you can wait for 10-15 minutes or 30 minutes. You can monitor for 30 minutes and you can close the ticket. Okay, so when I restart the server, what will happen exactly? Whatever processes are running under this, lot of processes will run right in the Windows machine. SQL processes will run, non-SQL processes will run, antivirus softwares will run, lot of processes will run right. All sessions will be killed, guys. Not from SQL side, from Windows side. All the software sessions will be killed. Whatever softwares that are running up and running, all the sessions will be killed. So some software can consume more CPU, right? As all the softwares are going to be killed, so again all the processes will release the CPU or memory. So that's why it will be fixed, guys, when you restart the server. But restarting SQL server is not a good option, guys. Okay, so customers won't agree. Why you have to restart? Troubleshoot it. I need RCA. RCA means root cause analysis. Every time again, if I got same issue again, you are going to restart. So restarting is the final option, guys. Okay, yes, restart is also one solution only. But when it is a solution, it is the final solution, final option. When you checked all the things, nothing worked, then you have to restart the SQL server or Windows server, guys. But that is a last option, not immediate action. Okay, so when you restart the machine, what will happen? All the processes will be killed. Whatever background processes running, SQL processes, non-SQL processes, all the processes will be killed. So freshly again, each and every software will start a fresh session. So that's why it will release all the CPU and memory. So CPU and memory consumption will be down, guys. That is the reason behind the restart of the machine, right? So now you know. See, interview will ask like this. Okay, I am getting CPU more than 90%. You will start giving your answer like this. Okay, I'll log into the server. I'll check. I'll open the task manager. I'll check which CPU is taking more. I'll check which session is taking more CPU. If non-SQL processes are taking more CPU, okay, then I'll route the ticket to the Windows team. Then immediately he will respond. Okay, it's not non-SQL process. It is a SQL process only. What you are going to do? Immediately he is going to give counterattacks, guys. All the blocks, all the ways he is going to block it. Okay, it's not non-SQL process, it is a SQL process only. What is your next step? If it is a SQL process, what is the next step, guys? I'll monitor for 10 to 15 minutes, or 10 minutes. I'll monitor for 10 minutes. In this 10 minutes it is showing 90% or more than 90%. I'll look into it. In this 10 minutes, if the consumption is down to 10%, okay, I'll monitor for 10 more minutes or 15 more minutes, then I'll close the ticket. No, it is not coming down, it is still showing 90%. Like that, the interview will counterattack, guys. He will ask lot of things, lot of means all the ways he is going to block you. For you, whatever your answers you are saying, he is going to block you. Next, guys, what is the solution? Now the processes are not coming down, it is still showing 90% only. Next, what you have to do, guys, you have to immediately do the health checks. What health checks I have to do, guys? Okay, these are the common health checks in case of any issues, guys. These are very common health checks, guys. Any issues, any issue, these are the health checks you have to do. First of all, you have to check CPU usage, then you have to check memory usage, then you have to check blockings, guys. Okay, you have to check the blockings. Okay, you have to check the blockings. So what is blocking, guys? What is meant by blocking?
Blocking another process.
Correct. Okay, so blocking means it's going to block another session. Say for example, one table is there, sales table is there. Okay. On sales table, for example, we have two students, right? Let's go with two students. Okay. Anand and Anuj. Okay. Anand and Anuj. Right. Anand and Anuj. Okay, so Anand and Anuj trying to access the same table, guys. Anand trying to delete some records. Anuj is trying to read the same records, guys. Anuj is trying to read the same records. What Anand is deleting, Anuj is trying to read the same records. So immediately, okay, when Anand is started firing his query, delete query, first a lock will be applied on the sales table, guys. A lock will be applied on the sales table. Whenever you are accessing some resources, locks will be applied on that particular resource, guys. Hey, wait. Say, for example, we are going to take a movie ticket. Okay, so we are in the queue. So, if we want to take the movie ticket, usually, of course, we can take it in online also, but usually, okay, if you are in the queue, you have to wait until the previous person, okay, the man before you, he has to buy it and then he has to go out, then you have to take the ticket, right? Until then it will be locked, means you are in the queue only, right? In the same way, Anand is executing delete query on the sales table, but Anuj is trying to access that sales table, guys. So until Anand the delete query is completed, this table will be locked. The resource what they are trying to access will be locked, guys. When it will be released, guys, when Anand action is completed, when Anand query is completed, then only Anuj can execute. Okay, imagine Anand is running query on 59 session ID. Everyone, whenever anyone is firing the query, SQL server will allocate a session ID, right? Without session ID, no one can execute any queries, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So 59, Anand is running his query on 59, session ID 59, SPID. Okay, session ID 59, guys. Imagine. Let me. Okay. So Anuj is trying to read, means select query he is firing. So his session ID is 60, guys. His session ID is 60. Anand session ID is 59. Anuj session ID is 60, guys. Until Anand session ID is going to complete, your 60 session won't be executed, right?
Yes, sir.
Agree? Right? Means 60 session is blocked by which session?
59.
59.
59 session.
59.
Until 59 is going to be completed, your 60 won't be executed, guys. That is called blocking. If 59 is taking 1 hour, the 60 has to wait till 59 is going to be completed. If 59 is taking 1 day, the 60 will wait 1 day till the 59 is going to be completed, guys. When 59 is completed, then it will release the locks on the table. When the locks are released, then 60 will execute. After that, after 60, someone might fire another query. Okay, guys, this is how usually blockings will generate. Blockings are not good, right? Blockings are not good. So for example, your same example, you are trying to take movie ticket. So the person who is trying to pay using GPay, before you, he is trying to pay using GPay, but it's not working. Okay, some issue is there with the GPay, and the amount is not going. So simply, okay, the transaction is failing. Until the previous person is going to be completed his transaction, then only you can go and take the ticket. Until then, you have to be in queue. Agree? Agree, guys. Once the previous person is completed his transaction, then your turn will come. Until then, you are blocked by your previous person. Agree? Not only you, how many processes are blocked by? See, in the if you go to movie theater, like after you, there are 10 more people are there. So once the previous person transaction is completed, your transaction has to be executed. Once your transaction is completed, the next 10 transactions has to be executed. See, guys, how many blockings are there? Means these 10 people are waiting, blocked by the previous person. Agree, guys? Is it clear? Means one session can block multiple sessions. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is it clear, guys? One
Yes, sir.
session can
This
block.
blocking,
Sorry.
sir, and this blocking only for sales database only.
Yes, depends upon the resources, guys. Okay, depends upon the resources. Sales database, this blocking is explicitly on sales database only. If other 10 sessions are trying to access the sales table or sales database, yes, they will be blocked. Depends upon the queries they are executing. I'm not saying each and every query will be blocked. Depends upon the queries they are executing, depends upon the resources they are executing. Usually, if the resource is locked by another resource, it has to wait until it's complete, guys. Once the resource, once that particular session is completed, then only the other sessions that are depending on that are using the sales table or sales database has to wait. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
usually one session can block multiple sessions. This is the reason, guys. Okay, so what we have to do? Why blockings will kill the performance? Why? Because of course you just want to take the movie tickets and 10 people are there. Instead of completing 5 minutes, now it is taking 10-15 minutes. Why? Because 5 minutes is consumed by previous person. His transaction is failed or something happened, or he don't have money, or he don't have change. What might be the reason? Or he is simply arguing, why last time I just bought it for 100 rupees, now you are saying 200 rupees. Just he is arguing.
Sir,
Okay,
for,
so
just for clarification,
yes,
uh, after 59, whatever sessions are there, they don't know what is going on in 59 session. That's why they are getting blocked.
correct. See, 59, I am not saying after 59 all the sessions will be blocked. After 59, still any sessions are there that are trying to access this database or this resource can be blocked. If any other sessions are using other resources, other databases, other tables, they won't be blocked.
For same resource only.
For
I am
same
asking.
resource only will be blocked.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? So this is how. So performance killers, guys. Blockings are performance killers. So definitely, okay, we have to look into it. How to check the blockings in the SQL Server, guys? So we usually use, okay, to check the blockings in the SQL Server. There is a query: select star from sys.sys processes where blocked not equal to 0, guys. Okay, we have to run that query. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to okay, generate want. Okay, it's not possible. Okay, I'll try to do in the local machine, guys. I'm sorry. I'll try to
And
generate
also while
block.
doing one day you told no sir, parallelism.
Parallelism, yeah,
Full
that
to
is
full.
different. Yeah,
Yes.
that is also almost
There
same
also
like, yeah, same like this only. Parallelism, that is also same like blockings
yes
kind
sir.
of. Okay, parallelism is also one reason for blockings.
Okay. That day I had seen sir.
Yes,
Uh, that has been blocked by another one.
yes,
Once
correct.
it's completed and then it has
Then only it will be
executed.
executed, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll try to, what I can do is I'll try to generate, okay, blockings manually. I'll show you how to deal with that. Okay, let me check my services.msc in my local machine. Why? Because I have to copy some query. From Google, I have to copy the query. I cannot copy to this virtual machine, right? So that's why I'm trying to show you in the local machine, local SQL server. Okay, so what we have to do, if blockings are there, what we have to do? Okay, there are a lot of ways to fix this issue, guys. Okay, one thing is you have to wait. First thing. Second thing, if it is taking more than expected time, then what you have to do, guys? Then you have to ping Anand. Okay, you are a DBA, right? So what people will do? Anuj is a developer, Anand is a developer. Both are developers only. Anuj will complain, will raise a okay ticket. Okay, lot of blockings are there in the SQL server. Or of course, we'll get a alerts also. Okay, so Anuj is complaining that his query is taking lot of time. Of course, Anuj can complain, my query is taking lot of time. Agree, guys? Anuj earlier the same query is taking 1 minute. Whatever Anuj is executing select query, earlier it took 1 minute. Now this time it took 15 minutes to complete. Now Anuj have a right to raise a request. Hey DBA team, my query is taking 15 minutes to execute. Earlier it is used to complete in 1 minute. Okay, now we have to look into it, guys. As discussed, if blockings are there, if more blockings are there, first we are going to check the blockings, right? So if blockings are there, then we have to look into it, which session is blocked by which session. Then, okay, the simple solution is, guys, we have to we have to kill Anand session. But can I kill directly Anand session? No, you cannot kill the Anand session. You have to request Anand. Anand, what you are executing? Okay, your session is blocked by lot of other sessions and all. Can I proceed to kill your session, or are you going to stop the query, executing the query and all? You can request Anand. Okay, if Anand says, okay, no problem, you can kill it, later I'll run it, then no problem, guys. Anand session, you can simply execute kill 59. So once Anand session is killed, automatically whatever blocking processes are there, all the processes will be executed successfully, guys. This is one solution. But again, for killing the session, you have to take the approval from Anand. Who is running the session, you have to take the approval from that person, guys. Is it clear?
Sir.
Okay, guys.
Yes.
So when blockings are
Yes.
there, you have to kill the blocked sessions. Sometimes 59 section 60 uh, 59 is a lot of sessions are there, 59, 60, 62. Okay, 62 or 63, 69, 75. Okay, so this is blocking tree. 75 is blocked by 69, 69 has been blocked by 63, 63 is blocked by 60, 60 is blocked by 59, guys. Now tell me which session has to be completed first. This 75 is blocked by 69, guys. Means 69 is blocking 75. 63 is blocking 69. 60 is blocking 63. 59 is blocking 60, guys. Now tell me. Means like a kind of, okay, what we can say, locking each and everything. Okay. Now which session has to be completed first to fix this issue? Tell me, guys.
59,
59,
sir.
sir.
Once
25.
this is completed, then only this will complete, right? Once this is completed, then this will complete. Then once this is completed, then this will be completed. Once 69 is completed, then only 75. This 59 is called lead blocker. Lead blocker. In the blocking tree, this is the main culprit. If this is completed, then this will complete. If this is completed, then this will complete. Then this is completed, this will complete. Then this is completed. Last session will be completed. Sometimes depends upon the query they are using. Sir, every time it will be like that only. No, depends upon the use case. Sometimes you can see multiple blockings will be there. Okay, so this is how you have to deal with the blockings, guys. First of all, how to check the blockings? We can use one query called select star from sys processes where blocked not equal to 0. Okay, let me execute that query. Wantedly, I am generating blockings, guys. I want to show you, and then I'll kill it. Okay, Let's go with this one. Okay. Control C. Here is my SSMS, not yet opened. So when you see earlier, I used it to kill some sessions, right? When CPU more than 90%, 100% and all, or memory more than 90 and 100%. I use it to kill some unwanted sessions, right? This is how I'm going to deal with this. Okay, if we kill that session, whatever resources that is using will be released, guys. Either CPU or memory, whatever sessions that are, whatever resources it is using, that will be released. That's why I'll kill it. In I know that it is a non-SQL process. I know that we are not currently using that process. That's why I'm killing it. But in the organization, don't kill any processes from task manager, guys. Don't kill any process from task manager. You have to kill from SQL Server Management Studio only. As discussed, if it is a non-SQL process, you have to simply route it to the Windows team. They are going to kill it. Okay, so nothing to worry. So let's go to the SQL Server. In the meantime, let me run this query. Okay, new query. Just I want to show you the query to find out the blockings, guys. Okay, select star from sys processes where blocked greater than 0. Okay, right. Taking a lot of time. You can see, right, how it is behaving. Okay, when I'm trying to open a new query window, see how much time it is taking. This is also performance issue only. So you can check the task manager here. What is happening, what is the problem and all, you can check here. Okay, so you can see here 75, 80, and memory is 90 percentage. The thing is, guys, what is the challenge why it is using 90 percentage, guys?
RAM, sir.
RAM. Okay, so here the challenge is RAM. Okay, so what is the challenge, sir? Why it is using 91 percentage? What, how to fix this issue in this case, guys, actually we have limited resources. Okay, actually, for this machine, I should give at least 4 GB RAM, but I'm adjusting with 2 GB RAM only. So definitely the consumption will be more, right? Agree,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So
Yes,
here
sir.
is like this. Okay, so in a room, one person is staying in a room, so he has the enough food. But two persons are there, two friends are there. Okay, two friends came into the room. Then of course, whatever food he is, he has to increase the food. Otherwise, with same food, all these three persons can survive. Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, no, right? So simply, it's a simple thing. Okay, so whatever food he is having, he can survive with that food. But suddenly, two friends came into his room. Okay, then three people are there. Total three people has to consume the same food. Of course, it is not sufficient, right? Okay, so in the same way, for SQL Server, I have to give 4 GB or 8 GB RAM, but I am just giving 2 GB RAM. So whatever whole RAM is there, it is trying to consume. Okay, so that's when 91 percentage is there. 91% the consumption is 91% and it is not coming down. What is the solution, guys, here? Even though you checked all the blocking processes or other things and all, the solution is you have to increase the RAM. The capacity is very less, guys. Your work is more, but the capacity is less. The resources are less. Definitely have to increase the RAM, guys. Sir, who will decide how much RAM is needed for this particular application and how they are going to decide? It completely decided by your architects, guys. Architects are senior people, okay? They will discuss with the application team. They will ask what is the frequency of your data, how frequently data will come, how much data will come, what kind of data will come, what kind of operations will be there. Based on all these things, your architects will decide how much memory, please mute it, how much memory, how much RAM is needed, how much CPU is needed. So that's why in the organization we don't create small machines and all. Some machines will be 32 GB RAM. Some machines will be 64 GB RAM. Some machines will be 128 GB RAM. Why guys? Why all the machines are not same? Why? Because depends upon the transactions, depends upon the business, depends upon the application criticality. Can we run IRCTC servers on 16 GB machines? Can we run
No,
WhatsApp
No,
sir.
servers on
sir.
32 GB machines? Right?
No.
No,
No,
it's
sir.
not sufficient. Why? Because the transactions are huge. Lot of transactions has to run parallelly. How it is sufficient? A 16 GB RAM or 32 GB RAM, how it is going to be sufficient? Simply what you are saying, hey, I have only limited food. How many people are there? All people has to share this food. How it is possible, guys? It's not possible, right? So you have to give enough food for the particular people. That's your responsibility. You have to increase the quantity. You have to increase the resources. Means your RAM and CPU has to be increased, guys. So that's why in the organization, lot of servers will be there. Some servers you can see 16 core, okay, 64 GB, 32 core, 128 GB. Why? Because the application depends upon the application. Okay, how busy the application is, how critical the application is. Okay, how we are going to get the data, how frequently we are going to get the transactions and all. On all these aspects they will consider, and then finally they will decide, okay, this much RAM will be sufficient, this much memory will be sufficient, this much storage will be sufficient. Later, after before 1 year we just discussed like this, after 1 year lot of data came, then of course you have to increase, right? You have to increase the resources, right? The whatever things you calculated 1 year back. Okay, whatever 16 GB RAM, whatever 16 core CPU, it's by the time whatever transactions are there for that particular transactions. But after 1 year, your business is increased, your transactions are increased. Now, what you have to do? You have to increase your resources also, right? Agree? So, the solution sometimes the solution can be you have to increase CPU and memory also, guys. But that is also not a immediate solution. Okay, once you checked all the things, once nothing is there, no issues from SQL server side, then you have to recommend increase the memory or increase the CPU and all, guys. That is also one solution. Okay, clear, guys? Chalo, let's run this query. How to check the blocking? Select star from sys processes where blocked less than greater than 0. You can see only blockings using this query. Where condition you are using, right? You can see only blockings. Here, if it is not showing anything, means there are no blockings, guys. If any blockings are there, you can see what is the SPID, what is the blocked processes, what is the wait type, what is the wait time, last wait type, wait resources, what is the database ID, on what database it is waiting, how much CPU it is consuming, what is physical IO, what is memory usage, everything you can see here, guys. As of now, you can see 0 rows means how many blockings are there, guys? How many blockings
No,
are
Zero,
there?
sir.
no,
Blocking.
No
No
blockings are
No
here.
blockings.
blocking.
no
If you
blockings.
got this blocked greater than 0, result is 0 means there are no blockings in the SQL server. Chalo, let's try to, okay, let's try to generate blockings manually. Let's try to generate some blockings, guys. Okay, and what I can do is I'll increase this to 10 minutes. This query will run for 10 minutes, guys. Okay, this will run on AdventureWorks. Some other query, guys, random query. I just want to show you, sir, what is this query? How can I get it? Nothing. I'm just running some random queries. Okay, again, one more query. I'm just opening one more session from the same AdventureWorks. I'm trying to run. Okay, Control V. What is the session ID, right? 60.
Okay.
Let's execute. And let's execute this as well. 58. Okay, the session ID is 58 and the session ID is 60. Open one more query window. Now check the blockings, guys. Select star from sys processes where blocked less than greater than 0. Okay. Now if you execute, see here, guys. The SPID 58 is blocked by 60. You can see one row is there. Means until 60 session is complete, your 58 won't be completed, guys. 1 minute, guys, please. Hello. Right. Okay, so if you see here, guys, and you can see here actually, okay, select star from sys processes where blocked greater than 0, less than greater than 0. If you run this query, now you can see the blockings and all. Okay, now blockings are cleared, guys. Why? Because 60 session is completed. It was completed, successfully executed, guys. I just blocked it for 30 seconds. Wantedly, I just blocked it for 30 seconds. Let's block it for 10 minutes. Okay, I am going to change the time to 10 minutes. Means this 60 will run for 10 minutes, and then until it is going to be completed, your 58 session won't be completed, guys. Okay, now if you see the blockings, now you can see here, right? Your 60 session. Someone started video. Please stop the video. Done. Okay, so your 60 session is blocked by 58 session, guys. Now what you have to do to fix the issue, you have to first kill the 58. Means immediately we'll kill the session, guys. Okay, blocking is there. Killing session is the only solution? No, let's wait for some time. Okay, until, see, in my case, what I did, I just wanted to give 10 minutes. Means in 10, what will happen, what is the impact, guys, if you kill the session? Can anyone tell me?
It will, whatever the running query, it will kill it, say.
Killed. Okay, that's fine. Killed means what happened in the next second? Once the session is killed, what will be the next
It will
action from
stop
SQL?
working, sir.
Stop working means
Query
query will
Whatever
be
the
rollbacking, sir.
roll back.
Not execute.
Roll back.
Rollbacking.
yes.
Roll back. Okay, imagine you are running okay, one delete query. This delete query is deleting 1 lakh records. Imagine this is deleting 1 lakh records. Okay, you are running under 58 session. Okay, now you just kill this 99,990 records are deleted, guys. 99,990 records are deleted. Still 10 more records are there till to complete. Once 10 records are deleted, it will be commit, so that no issues, the transaction will be completed, the session will be completed. But someone find out this 58 session is blocking other sessions and all, so you just killed 58 session without checking. You just killed 58 session. Now whatever transactions you deleted, imagine this, to delete 1 lakh records it took 4 hours. Since 4 hours the 58 session is running, so to kill, while killing, if you kill the session, okay, almost it just deleted 99,990 records, right? So again it will roll back all the 99,990 records, guys. Means to delete, it took 4 hours to complete, right? Again it took 4 more hours to complete the session. Don't think if you kill the session immediately 58 will be killed, guys. Is it clear? Depends upon the transaction that you are running under 58. If it is insert, update, delete queries and all, they will go for rollback. Means how much time it took to execute, the same time or more than the execution time it will take to, okay, it will take for the rollback, guys. Rollback means it will cancel, it will again uncheck, it will do undo the 99,990 records, guys. It will undo all the transactions, whatever transactions it just deleted, it will undo all the 990 transactions, which might take 4 hours or 5 hours or 6 hours. So it's not, there is no guarantee, guys, when you kill 58 session it will be killed immediately. This is what will happen in the exactly in the internal, guys. Is it clear? Why? Because earlier it deleted 1 lakh records. It's just started deleting 1 lakh records. Suddenly you stopped executing this query. What happened, guys? It will roll back. It will cancel all 99,990 transactions, guys. At what point you just kill the session? From that point, how many transactions are there? Okay, all the transactions will be rollbacked. So that's why it might take 4 hours or 4 hours. I'm just giving sampling purpose. It might take 5 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours also depends upon the transactions. So don't think if I kill 58 session, 58 will be killed automatically and immediately. No. Sometimes it will go to rollback state. You have to be very careful. Is it clear, guys? What will happen when you kill the session? Okay,
Sir,
now
after
That time,
rollback,
sir, what are percent to be used?
see, let me execute this query. Still I can see the,
Al-
okay, still I can see blocking, right? So which, on which database? Database ID 12 it is blocking, okay? And you can see I want to fix this issue. What I can do, I can see here. This was 60 is blocked by 58. So what I can do, guys, I can kill 58 session. Kill 58. Okay. So once I just killed 58, then it was successfully killed, right? Now if you see, okay, there are no blockings now. Okay, so it depends. See, one blocking, two
Sir,
blockings, and yeah, one more minute. Okay, let me complete. So let me reconnect, guys. It is showing 1 minute. Please reconnect.